My style of topiary
Topiary, there's the word we should be using. Yes,
is
sir.
abstract, free-flowing, and you always see the structure of the plant. Because most time when you say topiary, people think of Disney World,
Right.
England, they do teapots and all that. I'm the only person in the world can take the plant and create this image with that structure.
Yes, and you said free-flowing. You're right. Typically,
They're kinda
topiaries are
abstract,
just
you know,
kind of just normal.
No particular shape.
Right. And how? Tell me how you
Okay,
accomplished
for
this.
instance, like this. This plant came out of a 3-gallon container.
Oh,
See?
yes,
So
it
what
did.
I did was this. You take the shoots,
Yes.
and as they grow, once they get real long enough, see this shoot here?
Yes.
This shoot, I came back over and tied it to this one.
You did that, or it did it?
No, I did that.
Yes.
Because this was the Hollywood twist, or Terralosa juniper.
Okay.
And then in natural growth, it grows in a twist.
And did you? It's almost like grafting.
Oh yeah, some of it grafted too. I'll show you how I did that. And then this one came in, so tight.
And
I'm woody.
Well, at some point when they stay together, they'll begin to graft.
Yeah,
again.
I'm gonna show you how I did that. I didn't know you weren't supposed to do this kind of thing. And I wanted to be able, when I look at that plant, see how you see the structure?
Yes.
You see,
Well,
for
you
me,
can-
the beauty of that plant is the trunk,
Yes.
the bark.
I love seeing as much of the wood as we do of the
And the same thing over here.
This
This is a compacted holly.
Yes.
And you see how I took the shoots and create, and when you take this shoot, there might be just a little growth on the end. And like here, see?
Well, I see that you keep it so trimmed, so you don't
have to.
allow it to get real shaggy.
Every 4 to 6 weeks.
Yes.
That's why you get this kind of density.
Because it forces more lateral growth.
And when you pull it over, you see.
Yes.
All right, now I can prune within a 1/4 of an inch of the life of that plant. And the reason you would get a hole in this plant, if I cut the life out of the stem.
So you've created.
So I know how to prune.
Yes, you do.
See?
You have tried and tested. So we could say this is a tried, tested, and true procedure. and
Well, once you
process.
lose enough plants, you'll figure it out. Just a regular old pin oak, I think.
I believe you're right.
And then at some point, this was a group of shoots. So I took and braided it. Cut them all, took 3 and braided them. And you can see where I tied them together. And they grew into a trunk. And when I pulled these out and tied them, then they grew together and this come out. So if you take a branch,
Yes.
and this is what happened. Okay, this is that process. Okay, you see this branch?
I do.
And you see this branch? And when I put them together, I tied them.
Yes.
They grew together.
They do.
So this keep these branches alive. See? See here?
Yes. They've grafted
But
to each
you
other.
tie them together,
And they're still
and you
getting
don't
the
allow the
nutrients.
tie to grow into them.
Right, because otherwise it'll strangle and girdle.
That's exactly right.
Right, and this way. So do you do a soft tie until they're together, something like
I use zip tie.
zip tie? Okay, and then once
know
they've
that-
grafted, then you remove that.
Yeah, well, once it started growing into it,
Right.
then you move it, and once it grows together, just cut it off.
Goodness, see now right there's a little tip that you're going to get for free.
No, but see this see here?
Yes, yes, I love that. goodness. Well, I am so proud and honored that I get to sit here with Mr. Pearl Fryar and get some of his wisdom and share some of it with y'all. And I hope that you have enjoyed this interview and that you will go green.